Hello everyone, I'm Bhavik and this is my mom, and today we are going to be unboxing a Mojo box.
So this is a Mojo box and this is their breakfast box. It has somewhere around 10 to 15 items in here that are breakfast items, and today we are going to be tasting all these products and we are going to be seeing what are great and if we are going to get the original size and whatnot. And this one is going to be tested by Bhavik because this box I have actually purchased for him, and this box is actually retailing for 189 rupees, very low price guys. And all the details I will be putting in my description box, the links and everything. So let's get started and see what's in this box guys. There was actually no spillage whatsoever, and it's a very compact packaging and very nice. And see, oh. So we have got so many products in here. We are going to test out each and everything right here. The first product that we have here is this amazing croissant. Actually, this is their Bolly Moonfields soft and delicious puff roll with vanilla cream, Italian bakery since 1922. So this one is actually retailing for 20 rupees. I also remember getting this one from my local grocery store for 20 rupees. So yeah, do you want to open it up?
Yeah.
This is quite a nice snack item for kids, actually, for school. If you want to like treat them, you know.
It looks amazing.
Yeah, quite a huge product. Smells fresh as well.
Yeah, it also smells very nice.
You want to give it a try?
Yeah.
Wow, you can see actually it has it tastes really good.
It is better than other brands and it has a lot of filling.
It tastes fresh actually.
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah. So the next product we wanted to try is the Lotte Frutto Pie, which is a fluffy cake filled with strawberry cream, as you can see here.
This one actually has strawberry cream filling, and it says that it has goodness of real fruits with vitamin C. This is also a very nice snack item. Again, this is definitely a sugary product, so definitely limit it to like once in 3-4 days or something like that. Do not treat your kids with a lot of sugary food every single day. Do you want to give it a taste?
Yeah.
Wow, it already smells like strawberry.
It has a very strong smell of strawberry.
Again, it smells fresh and quite a decent size, you know. Amazing, like a snack option. Like kids want to snack all the time, right? So it is a good snack option.
It also tastes very good.
Yeah, I am really happy that it does not contain a lot of like heavy coloring in it. A lot of snack I have seen, they have a lot of heavy colors in it, so it does not have that.
It also tastes pretty smooth. It's not like rough.
Yeah, it tastes good. I like it. So the next product that I want to try is this cracker. This is a cheese flavor crunchy layer cracker from Milkist. This is 5 rupees packet. This looks quite interesting. I have never tried this one, so let's give it a try. Wow. Okay. This one is like a biscuit, salty biscuit, you know. This one tastes so good, guys. Like it? It
Yeah,
tastes
it
so
tastes
good.
really nice.
It has like a tiny sweetness to it, and at the same time, it has that cheese taste to it. It really tastes so good. I have to get the regular size of this one. So good, guys. I highly recommended this one. Tastes amazing. So next we have a tiny little Bonvita pouch in here. Actually, we have a huge box of Bonvita at home. He drinks Bonvita every single day and he absolutely loves Bonvita. I am going to share a Bonvita shake with you guys that tastes absolutely delicious and kids will just love it. It's amazing for this summer and Bhavik just loves that one. Really, I am going to share that one with you guys in my next video. So yeah, this one we have got, and next we have got this peanut butter. This is from Pintola. This is high protein peanut butter, dark chocolate, crunchy. This is a 30 gram bottle, and this is a quite decent size actually. If you use it every single day, it will last you around more than a week actually. So this is quite a good size.
You can use it in a lot of sandwiches and it will taste really nice.
Yeah, we actually love peanut butter, but because it is with dark chocolate, so I think I will like it a lot more. It has some bits of like peanuts in it.
It's for the extra crunchy taste when you use
We
it.
love it. We actually eat peanut butter with toast every single, not every morning, but most of the time. Most of our breakfast is toast with peanut butter. So this one is going to be a very good option with that. Let's give it a try from this only. Yeah, it tastes really good.
Yeah, it has that peanut taste and it also has a bit of a chocolatey taste.
Yeah, but it is not overly sweet. It
Yeah.
is very nice. The taste is very subtle and it smells amazing.
Yeah, it has a peanut smell.
Of course, it is right.
Yeah, but it has it pretty strong
Yeah.
compared to other ones.
Yeah. So the next we have is a drink actually. This is so good, plant-based soya drink, elaichi flavor. This is actually 200 ml and this has calcium, protein, all the vitamins B2, B5, B12 and D. Very nice for health. This is very good for kids actually. And if you are lactose intolerant, you cannot drink milk, you can choose this one. This is really good, very good option actually, but I am quite full right now, so I am not going to open this up because we are not going to finish it. So I'm going to try this one later, but this is really a good option.
So next we are going to be opening this peanut chikki bar with it has pure jaggery in it and it is also by Pintola, the same company that made the peanut butter. And it has no glucose syrup and no white sugar, so it seems pretty healthy.
Yeah, actually, you know what? If you substitute your sugar with jaggery, it is actually quite healthy for you. Jaggery has that additional mineral and vitamins in it that is removed while processing to get the white sugar. So we actually prefer to use jaggery in our home. And peanut chikki is literally our favorite thing in the world. We always eat peanut chikkis, and this is really good. I think I will give it a try. It looks amazing, right? It has that crunchiness to it, and it is not overly sweet actually, right? It's not overly sweet. It's very nice. I love it. I'm going to save it for later on.
Yeah.
Let's move on to the next product, guys.
So next we are going to have this Nourish Organics. This product from Nourish Organics.
This is Nourish Organics banana oat bar, tiny bar actually.
It is bite sized, so like you can grab it on the go.
It smells like banana. I love oat bar. Tastes good.
Yeah, it has a good banana flavor and it tastes really nice.
They have actually sent us a catalog here, product catalog. There are a lot of products in here. Lot of like nutritional breakfast items in here. All these products look very healthy. And each of this bar, the regular size bar, is actually 60 rupees. So quite good. They're actually very filling, you know. If you have one bar for breakfast, it will keep you full for approximately around 3 hours. So quite good option for breakfast, I'll say, if you are on a restricted calorie diet. Next we have these coffees. These are liquid coffee. I love coffee, you know, and I'm going to have this one tomorrow morning. So this is instant filter coffee liquid from ID. Yeah, you will just have to add hot milk and sugar into it. So the last one that we have in here is this Grand's Goodness gluten-free millet based vanilla cake premix. This can make a good batch of pancake for breakfast as well as a 6-inch cake as well. So you can make cake or you can make pancake. Tomorrow morning I am going to make pancake for him. He loves pancake, and you can make it with egg or you can make it without egg, whatever you choose. So this is completely gluten free and wheat free, and seems like a really good healthy breakfast option. I will let you guys know how it tastes after I make it for the breakfast. So yeah, all the steps are actually written here very clearly, how to make pancake and the cake. So yeah, so guys, we have got how many products in here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9
10.
10 products for only 189 rupees, and I will honestly say that this is like a very fun thing to do, and you will get a lot of products for 189 rupees, quite affordable, and like you can try a lot of products. This is actually a fun way to try a lot of products. You know, you can choose which one you like without actually going for the regular size that will definitely cost more money. So yeah, this is really fun. So yeah,
And most of the products here are tasting really good, so you might want to buy all the regular sizes after it.
yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and us trying out all these products. And if you want to order yourself this breakfast box, I will put the link in my description box. You can check that out. I will catch you guys next week. Until then, take care. Bye bye.
Bye.